Hi, I'm Roger in beautiful Junction City, Oregon with Guarantee. Today we're looking at a 2013 Fleetwood Bounder 33C. It's a gorgeous coach, full body paint. This thing is loaded. I love the way they did this coach. We've got our side cameras built right in here to our mirror. So when you turn on your turn signal, shows you everything down the side of the coach. We've got a push button awning here. You don't have to go and pull on it and open it up. We got some great storage, outside TV. This is our propane tank with a little extra storage. We've got our inverter in here. It's going to turn your battery power into 120 volt power. Rotate the switch right here. So I like that it's got a manual switch. Makes it easy to isolate your inverter, keep from running your batteries down when you're not using it. We've got two house filters. What we call a gravel filter and then a regular taste filter. It's going to help make the water taste a lot better, keep the water in your tank fresh and nice. Got some great storage here. Water tank mounted below the floor line. It's going to keep that quiet so you don't have to listen to it. Another nice storage area here. And this one is the big one. This one goes all the way through and out the other side. So your long stuff will go in here. It's already set up for a tow package. This is that other side of that long storage. And then we have our awning, very quiet, 5,500 watt gas generator. These storage pods come out with a slide so you don't have to duck and dive, and the nice thing is it's all one long storage area. When Fleetwood started doing this, they put a door on the very back here so you can unlock with a key and slide in something really long instead of having to bend it. The full body paint looks gorgeous. We're on the Alcoas, the bus size tires. And that's the outside. Let's go inside. It's even better inside. Automatic electric steps. It is on the Ford chassis. It is set up for towing with the brake indicator. Automatic hydraulic leveling or manual hydraulic leveling if you like to do it manually. We've got our backup camera. We've got our side camera. We've got our generator controls all right up front. Really easy to utilize this coach. Easy to drive. This is a 362 horse V10. Gonna have some great torque, 5-speed transmission. Just a beautiful dash layout. Pull down front visors. As we work our way back, good sized kitchen. I do like the stove cover. Covered sinks, pull out fixtures. These also make great cutting boards if you turn them over and use the dole side. Booth dinette with storage underneath. Look at the real rich wood that they put in this coach. The sofa, this is one of those expanding sofas. You pull it out, set this up, then you have a really nice L-shaped sofa right in front of the TV, the fireplace, the sound bar, just like you're sitting at home. That goes up and down very quickly. Oh, look at this refrigerator freezer. Automatic ice maker, and that's where those two filters are really going to make a very nice ice cube for your beverages, shall we say. It's a mid-bath coach, and it's actually a nice large bathroom. Notice that porcelain sink, porcelain toilet, good room, good size shower. With a place for linens, etc. Here we have our environmental controls, our power management system. It has a surge guard, so if you do ever get hammered with like a power spike, this coach is already set up and protected from that. As we come in here, this has a brand new mattress still in the plastic. We have a TV right across from the bed, with all of the equipment, room for the equipment such as satellite, etc. that you want to put in here. This coach is also set up so that if you want, this cabinet right here is actually set up for a washer dryer all-in-one like a Splendyne 2000. It's a short 33-foot Fleetwood Bounder 33C with all the appointments of some of the bigger coaches, but it's smaller, easier to drive. I'm Roger with Guarantee here in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. If you have any questions about this coach or any other, give me a call. Have a great day.